Are you struggling with your reach on Instagram at the moment? The algorithm seems to be constantly shifting and there's new announcements after new announcements being thrown out there. So no wonder many people are being left pulling their hair out, unsure of what they should be doing to get the most views, reach and followers. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 Instagram hacks for more reach that are working right now. Quickly, before I do though, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Leah Buckingham and I help ambitious business owners to scale their business online so that they have more impact, income and freedom in their lives. So if you'd like to see my weekly regular trainings, then make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, so the first hack is one that I've mentioned a few times before, and it's all to do with your story posts. Yes, it's important to drip feed your story posts out and to post on stories regularly, because I believe it is one of the main places where you can really build those personal relationships with those people who already follow you. However, you may have noticed when you have a number of story posts active, the engagement, it tends to drop off more towards the last few stories. So if you're finding this, then make sure you let all of your stories expire from time to time. So that means taking a 24-hour break from posting on your stories, and the Instagram algorithm, it sort of resets itself. So when you come back to posting stories again, make sure the first one is a personal and engaging one. So that means not a post shared from your feed to your stories, but maybe a picture or a video of yourself, for example, and make sure you add some sort of engagement sticker, such as a poll or the slider sticker. By doing this, you will notice your story reach goes right back up there, and the more that people engage with it, the more reach it will continue to get. When I look at my insights, my story posts that have gained the most reach are always when I do this, so definitely give this hack a go. Okay, so number 2 is to add more text to your content. So whether it's a static post, carousel post, story or reels, adding more text in the image or video will mean people spend longer consuming your content, because they'll be reading the text as well as looking at the image or video rather than just skimming past it alone. So what this will do, it will boost the reach, because the longer people are consuming your content, it tells the algorithm that that content is valuable, and so they'll push it out there even more. Now, to take this one step further, you could also encourage people to your caption, where you will give more context or value to the video. So for example, if you had a reel, you could share 3 top tips using the text overlay in the video, but then direct people to the caption where you will explain the tips in more detail, or even where you'll share your 4th most valuable tip. That way, the post is getting more engagement, because people are not only watching your real video, but they're clicking on the caption to consume the content for longer. So again, this will boost that post reach. Okay, so number 3 is using music and sounds in your reels and stories, because Instagram are wanting more people to use the feature, so they will reward people who do this. Plus, it makes posts and stories more engaging when people are on the app with their sound turned on, particularly if a certain sound is trending. And you can see this when there is a diagonal arrow next to the music name in the real video, for example, or over on the audio page. Using sounds that are currently trending will naturally get your content more reach, so it's a no-brainer to use it. Now, number 4 is taking number 3 even further. So yes, using the music feature will help your content to get more reach, but this is the same with all features they offer you on Instagram. So on your reels and stories, use the engagement stickers that they offer you to, encourage more engagement from your audience. Use the GIFs, use the location stickers and so forth. And if you're adding text, try to add the text directly within the Reels or Story app. The more features you use with the Instagram app, the more rewards you will get. And this is especially true for any new features Instagram introduces. They have spent time and money on these new features, so they want them to work. And one of the ways they can help with this is to reward users who get on board early with new features and who start using them. So when you hear of a new feature being announced, if you use it, your content will get a boost from the algorithm. Okay, so number 5 is to auto-generate your captions in the app. There's a huge percentage of people who scroll on the app with the sound off. So you're wasting a massive opportunity for more eyeballs on your content and for people to spend longer time consuming it by not simply adding auto-generated captions to your videos and reels. If people do not have the sound on, and they see your video with no captions, they will not stick around. So to do it, it's really, really simple. Once you have recorded your video in or outside of the app, go to the stickers icon, and there you will see a caption sticker. When you press on it, it will auto generate the captions, and then you can see you have different font formats to change along the bottom depending on your preference style of video. You can also add colors to your text and background colors, just like you can do when you are adding text to your videos or stories. And if the auto generated captions have the wrong word or mistake, all you need to do is click on it and the captions, and you can scroll through to select the wrong word and simply type what it should be. It's really easy to do, and it's a great way to boost more engagement on your content, which again will increase its reach. And finally, my number 6 hack is that now you can schedule and auto post reels through third-party apps and tools such as Later.com, Metricool and Flick, to name only a few. Now, we all know reels are still being pushed the most at the moment on Instagram, so they are a great form of content to post consistently on Instagram to get more reach. But I also know many of you find it hard to create and then be visible online to then actually post them. So this way you can batch create a number of reels and simply schedule them out, so you then don't have to worry about it. It's all done and it's ready to go as you continue your day. Now, personally, I will upload directly in the app because I'm always on the apps. Anyway, and I do find my posts tend to perform better this way, but this is also a great option for business owners who can't always be on the platforms and who need a way to schedule everything out. So it's one less thing for them to remember to do. Just remember though, if you are scheduling your own content out, including reels, remember to come back into the platform to engage with your followers who have engaged with your content, and to engage with other users on the app too. So there you have it, 6 Instagram hacks for more reach on your content. Let me know if you found this video useful in the comments, and also what else you need help with when it comes to your social media marketing.